Tall vertical line in Phoenix. So make sure you keep these flowers cool today. Cool as a cucumber. Your topiaries are going to open up into big English-looking bombs of flowers. Vertical line. Olive, how hard is this designed to do?
Oh, easy, 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 easy.
It is easy, Breeze. Everything we do in class is easy. I have secret formulas. As you turn yours around, let me see. Good, keep going. You got no. You're hiding your irises. Drop your carnations lower, or you're not gonna have enough flowers to finish the bottom. Table 1 is doing great. Flower School 101.